cup of coffee starts the morning of millions of people all across the world. Since 1945, in Industrias Vanilejas INDUBAN, we have dedicated ourselves to the purchase, manufacture, export, and sale of the best coffee in the Dominican Republic. Our founder, Mr. Manuel de Jesus Perello Baez, committed himself to produce coffee of the highest quality for mass consumption, a commitment which the Perello family carry on to this day. Café Santo Domingo, INDUBAN Gourmet, La Cafetera, Dominicano, Tinto, Pilon, Supremo, our brands that have captured the flavor and aroma most preferred by the Dominican people. How do we do it? It all begins years before the plant birthed its first coffee bean. The plants are carefully selected in our greenhouses before they are sown. Our plantations of Arabica and Robusta species, resistant to the blight, located in Rancho Arriba and Atomayor, are the product of a state-of-the-art genetic selection process which results in strong, plague-resistant plants with top-quality fruit. A specially trained personnel is in charge of the care and harvest of the fruit. This is one of the many control systems that our coffee bean must go through before arriving to our factories. After the harvest, the beans are passed through a wet processing system, a much more efficient process in the management of coffee beans than the more traditional methods. For this, we have specialized machinery that preserve the well appearance of the bean as well as its overall quality. The fruit is pulped to extract the bean, which is then rinsed and drained. The coffee bean is then dried until 12% humidity is obtained. In INDUBAN, we dry the coffee beans in either drying machines or exterior dryers that take advantage of natural energy. One of the secrets of our product's freshness is the vicinity of our factories to the major coffee-producing regions. These are in Asua, Bani, Barahona, Cambita, El Cercado, Atomayor, Peralta, and Moca. The product is carefully transported by our fleet to the main factory in Santo Domingo. Inside containers, the valuable coffee is preserved and protected from contaminants until arriving to our installations, where it is then properly inspected. Expert coffee tasters engage in a visual and gustatory inspection to verify the data emitted by our laboratories. It is thanks to these control methods that we can confidently assure that our product is of the utmost quality. Through the years, INDUBAN has managed to define the right balance and roasting point necessary to obtain the smell and taste most preferred by our customers. Aside from our high-end equipment and machinery, there is a highly trained and capable personnel in our service, whose only goal is to produce the best tasting coffee in the marketplace. Once roasted, the coffee is stored in special silos where it is laid to rest until it stabilizes and its aroma is tempered. From our control room, the coffee is sent to a series of grinders where the coffee is ground in stages with high precision and room temperature to avoid the loss of aroma. Once this stage of production initializes, the process is entirely automated. a special program takes samples from the grinders to measure physical qualities such as grinding degree, humidity level, and temperature. By this point, the coffee is ready to be packaged. The package holds great influence in aroma preservation, the defining seal of our product. In INDUBAN, we package our coffee with a high barrier, triple laminated system that hermetically seals the coffee for maximum preservation. INDUBAN has one of the most effective distribution networks in the Dominican Republic. A fleet of specialized vehicles distribute coffee all over the country, guaranteeing a fresh product anywhere on the island. Additionally to producing our own harvest, INDUBAN is the biggest buyer in the region. National producers interested in the sale of their coffee approach our premises with samples of their product. These are sent to the laboratory where they are tested and categorized to then proceed to the purchase of this product. The result of this process is world-class coffee. We are proud to say that our product is exported to Canada, Spain, Hungary, Russia, Aruba, Sint Maarten, Virgin Islands, and the United States, among others. Always concerned with the quality of coffee that reaches consumers, INDUBAN creates Aroma Coffee Service, which offers services to restaurants, cafeterias, hotels, and corporations, whether clients or employees. With our automatic machines guaranteed by our support network, we serve freshly ground coffee no matter where you are. Our vision for the future led us to create the Café Santo Domingo coffee shops so that our more demanding customers can enjoy the country's best coffee in different ways. With establishments strategically situated in the most important commercial centers, we have accomplished an exceptional acceptance level that allows us to proudly announce that our coffee shops are a total success in full expansion. Beyond our harvest, beyond our dedicated personnel, beyond our expert production process, beyond our modern machinery and equipment, beyond one of the most effective distribution networks in the country, and beyond INDUBAN being the biggest coffee producer in the nation, it is our commitment to quality, our passion and dedication that drives us every day to create the coffee most preferred in the cup of millions of people all across the world.